Hello everybody for joining this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining this channel. Muraho, murakomeye. How are you? How are you? Muraho, murakomeye. How are you? Amakuru. What's about you? How are you? Nimeza. I'm fine. Okay. So now I hope you are fine, and I'm going to teach you a short sentence that is really very short, and this won't take really time. I want you to really focus on one word, that is gusangira. So let me read this phrase. Mark Zuckerberg yasangiye na Donald Trump I Mar-a-Lago. Donald Trump or Mark Zuckerberg yasangiye na Donald Trump I Mar-a-Lago. So let us understand this title. And Mark Zuckerberg, you know him, is a Facebook guy. Yasangiye, so he had a dinner. So to gusangira, very important. I want to teach you. Gusangira is to have to get together and share the meal. Actually. So if you go to a restaurant with somebody, you are sharing meal with that person. You are having dinner with that person. With that people, if you are many people, you can say twasangiye cyangwa tugusangira. So yasangiye is coming from gusangira. Gusangira, have a dinner. Yasangiye. So Mark Zuckerberg yasangiye had a dinner with. So you say I am having dinner with. So you say nasangiye twasangiye na. I had dinner with Mark. Nasangiye na Mark. So with is na. So this is Donald Trump. I. Okay. This is at. Okay. You can say ngiye I Kigali. I am going to Kigali. So is at, or I is at. In Kinyarwanda we don't say I, we say So instead of saying in English I, it is I Kigali. Okay. I Kinshasa. I Nairobi. I Bujumbura. I Rwanda. Okay. This is very important. So I'm going to Kigali. Ngiye I Kigali. Okay. I'm going to so when you are saying about the place where I'm going, so use this one E. So Mark Zuckerberg yasangiye na Donald Trump. Okay. So where? Mar-a-Lago. Okay. Mar-a-Lago. Mark Zuckerberg yasangiye na Donald Trump I Mar-a-Lago. So you can also replace Mark Zuckerberg with your name. And then if to exercise yourself, and then take another name, you can say, okay, I had a dinner with nasangiye, or you can say, okay, Mark yasangiye had a dinner with, and then you add another name, okay, you can say Paris, in New York, I Mar-a-Lago. So you can try to learn this phrase through this one. So the phrase say Mark Zuckerberg shared a meal with Donald Trump at Mar-a-Lago. So the verb, just one verb I'm going to share with you, is to share. To share a meal is gusangira. Okay? You can to share a meal. This one is really specialized for gusangira, is really specific for sharing a meal. Gusangira, or to take something together, actually. Okay? Take something together, special meal. You can also share something else. So you can say, okay, I am sharing it. It's gusangira. So this one is really used for the meal, but it can be used for other things. So hope this one is going to help you. So try to learn it, okay, this week. and try also to use it in in every day in your regular activities. And I hope this one is going to help you. Thank you for sharing and also for subscribing. Have a good day. Bye bye.